In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete messages in a Slack workspace. Whether you're cleaning up your chat history or simply want to remove a message that was sent by mistake, I'll guide you through this simple process step by step. First off, you'll want to open Slack, either on your desktop or mobile app. Once you're there, it's important to get familiar with the layout to navigate smoothly. You'll see your channels and direct messages on the left sidebar. If you need to direct yourself to a specific workspace, simply type its name into the highlight bar for easy access. This little trick ensures you quickly find the workspace or channel where you want to delete a message. Now, let's move on to selecting the workspace or channel where the message was sent. It's important to remember that you'll only be able to delete messages that you've sent yourself, unless you're an admin or have been granted some special permissions. Once you've navigated to the appropriate channel or direct message, scroll through the conversation to find the specific message you want to delete. Take your time to ensure you've pinpointed the right one, as this will help you avoid any accidental deletions. Once you've identified the message, look for the message options. This should be quite straightforward. You'll notice a series of options, usually represented by 3 small dots. This is often referred to as the ellipsis or more actions button. Clicking this will bring up a menu of additional actions you can take on that message. In the menu that appears, find the option labeled Delete Message. It's typically one of the last items listed, clearly distinguished so you can find it easily. Before you proceed, you'll want to ensure you're ready to delete, because this action is irreversible in most situations. After clicking on Delete Message, you'll usually see a confirmation prompt pop up. Slack uses this double check mechanism to ensure you genuinely want to delete the message. Carefully read this prompt, and when you're absolutely certain you want to proceed, click on the Delete button. This final action will remove the message from the chat history entirely. Deleting messages responsibly is part of maintaining an organized and professional workspace. Remember, regularly checking conversations and tidying up helps in keeping communications streamlined and efficient. And that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can easily delete any messages you no longer wish to have in your